Sino nagpadala sa kanya sa aeroplano? Nagpasakay sa aeroplano?
The order for me, sir, is to deliver him to the team that will deliver him to The Hague. And
Sinong team na yun?
na-establish naman natin, sir, that it is done by the Interpol.
Interpol. Sinong Interpol doon? Sinong Interpol doon?
Ambassador lang kanila.
Kanila o nag-order sa'yo? Na isakay sa aeroplano?
Sir, I think we have already established yung order ko is for me to deliver him to the Philippine wing and deliver him to the team.
Okay, nandun na siya sa 50th wing. Ngayon, pinilit mo siyang ilabas. Nakita ko pa yung matanda, humawak sa lamisa. Ayaw siya magpadala sa'yo. Ayaw niya sumakay sa aeroplano. Sino nag-order sa'yo na isakay siya sa aeroplano?
Can I defer the question, sir? The answer to the question is to the SOJ. I have a
You are the one there. Wala si SOJ doon. Ikaw ang nagkarga sa kanya sa aeroplano. Kaya tanong kita, who gave you the order?
Still, sir, I take my orders from the Chief of the Philippine National Police.
So, PNP, you give the order to have former President Duterte board the plane?
Ma'am, I think that from the very beginning, the DOJ's advice was sought from every step of the way. Nila to serve the one.
I am asking them because they are on the ground. Sila ang nag-implement doon. Kaya, PNP, you give the order to sa ADG?
The order of to the CIDC to assist the PCTC when it comes to arrest.
So, sino nagbigay ng order kay General Torre na pasakay sa aeroplano?
It's always the guidance that ang ano po namin is we need to assist the PCTC.
Oh, PCTC. Pero yun naman, na-order the boarding of President Duterte sa aeroplano.
General Alcantara.
Mr. Senator Ramjir, I've said from time to time that my mandate is to coordinate our law enforcement agencies to comply with requirements of the Interpol.
Correct. I believe you, sir. Coordination ka lang. Nag-coordination ka lang. Pero sinabi ni General Marvel na ikaw daw nag-order sa
That
kanya.
is the limit of my power.
Yeah.
That's-
But according to General Marvel, ikaw daw nag-order sa
And
kanila
that is-
na isakay sa aeroplano si
and that
Pangulong
is the
Duterte.
limit also of my authority. That's my mandate.
To
My
have him.
mandate is to coordinate,
Coordinate.
disseminate.
So, for the record, hindi ka nagbigay ng order kay General Marvel na isakay siya sa aeroplano? Hindi. For the record.
For the record, I am not the authority to order the arrest.
Of the higher authorities, I may not be privy to that information.
Okay. Hanggang doon lang sa 250.